In PSchool, it is possible to create your own printable worksheets from your laptop or PC. Please follow the link given in the description. Select the activity type as workout. This pattern is the very important field. It says we need to create addition problem of two 3-digit numbers. Let us just give the default value, save it, click generate PDF. So 12 problems are created. Let us include one more 3-digit number, set the label as addition and increase the problem count to 32 so that we get one full A4 sheet of problems. Let us add one more activity, again workout, but let us have the label as subtraction. Instead of 3-digit number, let us have 4-digit number and change the sign to minus. In case if you want to make the subtraction simple, we can have each digit of the first number bigger than the second number. In that case, we have given the pattern like this. B means digit 5 or above and A means less than 5. Earlier we had X, which means any single digit number. Now we have created subtraction problem. Now let us try another problem type, which is quick math. Let us increase the count to 30 and the pattern is adding single digit number with a 3-digit number. Here we get our problem. Students should be trained in solving simple problems without doing the real workout, just from the mind. In pattern, earlier we have used X, A and B. In addition to that, we can use real numbers like 2. Let us create a set of problems where we divide a 3-digit number by 2. Let us add another subtraction problem. Let us subtract 2-digit number from a 3-digit number that are multiple of 100. So the first digit can be anything, but the second and third digit are 0. You can play around with this pattern and you can create class appropriate printables from kg to 8th standard. Now let us complete the series worksheet. It is very straightforward and intuitive. Give the pattern and we set the type as ascending order or descending order or mixed. And finally, let us add math mission activity. Here the input number undergoes an operation and the student has to write the output. Here it would be great if the problem comes on the next page, and for that we need to give page break for the previous activity. Teachers and schools can have a custom header that displays your branding on each page of the printable. Click on choose header and type your branding information. In future, we will add features to add your own school logo, and in fact, we will add more activity types. Once your printable is ready, you can download the PDF and share it with your students, or you can directly take the printout. I hope this video is helpful. Please try it yourself and share your feedback. Thank you.